face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hello guys, today is another day and it's really good to see you here again. My name is Nana Yao and my channel is about how to make money online and learn as well. So if you are new here, please hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I upload concerning how to make money online and text. So in this video I just want to show you guys how you can make $3 over and over again. You can just register today and you can cash out $3 today. It's really easy, simple, and it's enjoyable. It's enjoyable. So guys, checking, this is my payment proof. Yeah, a payment proof. The website that we'll be looking at today is called PollPass, and as you can see, their name is written here, the PollPass team. The PollPass team, and I received this $3. So without wasting much time, I think we should just look at the website. Okay, so this is not fake, it's real. It's not fake. So we will I'm sorry, I think I need a VPN because the website is only available for people in the United States, so I'll not be able to access it without a VPN. So I'll connect my VPN. Okay. Then I'll open my browser. Then I'll type in PollPass.com. Okay, so this is PollPass. Chat and earn rewards. PollPass is a new way to get rewarded for sharing your opinions. Yeah, it's easy. How does it work? Chat with the PollPass bots. Answer questions about things you have bought, thought, felt, smelt, loved, hated, or ignored. Okay, so whenever, wherever, chat at home or on the move, drop in and out whenever. It's really up to you. Earn rewards for your time. You will earn credits that you can exchange for Amazon vouchers and PayPal cash. Want to know more? So you can read all these. So if you are new, then you hit on the sign up button, then you fill in your informations. You may need the USA number for verification. And if you browse through my videos, you see a video that I talked about a specific application that will help you get a verified USA number to use for online service, so that in case they want to send you a verification code, you will be able to access it. So browse through my videos and you see that specific video to get your USA verified number for verifications. Or I will leave a card there, so you can click on the card at the top right corner so that you'll be able to view that video. So hit on the sign up button. I think I'm already a member, so I'll log in. Okay, so you can see I've logged in. This is how it is. The questions will be like this. First of all, do you keep up with music festivals online or TV, on social media as they happen? Please select all that apply. Okay, so if you read the answers, then you can select all that apply. Then, as you can see, I have 900 coins. Okay, so how often would you say that you attended large music festival? I would say once every couple of years. So you can see 10 coins has been added to my coins, and you can see it's easy and simple. This survey app is really easy. I've never seen this before. Okay. I'll not even read the questions, but sometimes you need to read the questions to select the best answers. Okay, you need to read the questions to select the best answers. And once you reach 3,000 points, you can cash it out. So every 1,000 points is $1. So once you reach 300 points, which is $3, you can redeem it for cash. $1. Okay. As you can see, you cannot redeem until you reach a minimum of 3,000 credits, which is $3. And this is the payment proof that I showed you. Payment requested, payment due. As you can see, 10th June 2019, it was paid to me, and it was PayPal, which was $3.09. It was $3.09. So let's check. Let's check again. As you can see, $3.09. PollPass sent this to me, and if you check the date, okay, so it was 24 hours, I think so. They sent the payment 24 hours. I thought they sent it the same day, but it was 24 hours. So guys, this is what I have for you today. If you loved this video, please don't forget to hit on the like button and comment, then share as well. But if you love this video, you want to see videos like this coming, please hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I upload concerning how to make money online and text. So guys, thank you once again for watching this video, and hope to see you again. Bye.
Tell me that you love me.